Hello everyone, my name is Deepraj Mandge and today I have done some exciting work about data exploration as a part of assignment, and I will show you how I done that work. So first thing first, so I got the data set for default credit card clients, and in this data set we need to do in this assignment I need to find out all the variables and comment on each variables whether it is independent or dependent variable, and need to summarize the statistics of all the variables. So how I done it, we will go step by step. First, so I explored the data and got some insight about the variables, what variables includes, and so this is the list of that variables like x1 to x5. These are the categorical variables like gender, education, marriage, marital status, age. Then we have history of past payments, repayment status in the months of September, August, and April, as well as amount of bill statement, amount of PO statement. So these are some little basic information I got. Then what I done that uh, I saved this file as CSV or comma separated value. This is actually Excel file, and for that I have taken the help from Python code I run for that. Here you can see that I installed some libraries and some to convert that file into XLS, comma separated value, and CSV. So by importing all the libraries, by loading the data set, we have done the data exploration. We will go step by step. I have written all the steps what I have done. So first, loaded the data set. I started by loading the data set, which contains the information of credit card users and their payment behaviors, which is already given in the data set. So I loaded data set in Python. How I done that? I will upload this code on the GitHub. Uh, so by installing all the libraries, by loading the dataset, I displayed the first few rows and the summary information of that dataset. In summary information, you will get all the null value count, data type, and any missing values, total entries, total columns. All information you will get in the data type info, data info. What the memory usage taken from this file. This also is included. Then I checked any null value are there. So we find out that no null value is available in this data set. Then next step, we explored all the variables and listed and briefly commented on each variable in the data set. This will also can be done in the Python. All the variables can be listed out from this. We loading the data set and listing all the variables in the data set. So we got some variables like ID, limit, balance, sex, education, marriage, age, and payment 0 to 6, bill amount 1 to 6, and payment amount 1 to 6, and then last variable is default payment next month. So we are exploring this variable as this is the only dependent variable I found out, and I show you how I done the. So here's the actual final representation of that file, and I will walk you through this file at the last. But first, what all the variables and their type I have listed it out, which are independent variable and the dependent variable. In this dataset, we only got default payment next month is dependent variable, and we will do the analysis after the data exploration. For this, we will do only data exploration. So by listing out all the variables, we will move forward to our third step, that is to conduct the summary statistics. We will provide, or I have provided all summary statistics for each and every variable to understand their distribution and characteristics. So in summary statistic, what we do is to find out the mean, the so in summary statistics, we do find out all the count of all numerical variables which are present in that column row. Then we find out the mean of each and every variable, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, 25% of all values, 50% percentile, and 75 percentile. So this will come under summary statistics, and from that we can plot the graphs and the necessary charts in this like this. So distribution of limit balance variable and the box plot of limit balance variable can be seen in this, and also the missing values if there are any available or not. So all this is done in this Python code, and next we will move forward. We have identified independent and dependent variables. We commented on each and every variable. Then we will create the word file for the final as a report. So what I have done, I have listed out step by step that first introduction of the dataset, then comments on each and every variable, dependent variable, then summary statistics of all variables, and then last conclusion. So comment on each and every variable as done. Yeah, and from this page, the summary statistics for each and every variable is started. So we are covered all the variables in this data set. And for this is not totally completed, as this is a part of only data exploration, but we further can do the analysis on this to get some insights from that database or default card clients, and we can then suggest or generate the trends, insights, whatever we call it. So I hope you like this my project. I will walk you through all the project and all the details, and I will upload this code what I have run in GitHub or in code sharing platform. And please do follow me on the LinkedIn. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice day.